My name is Albert Lai. I'm the co-founder and CEO of a company called Kontagent. Kontagent is a social analytics tool, which is basically a Google Analytics-like platform, except built from the ground up for social network applications. Essentially, the problem with building applications inside of social networks using traditional tools is that traditional tools like Google Analytics, like Omniture, they are geared towards the traditional web, which is to say that they don't provide you with persistent user ID. They don't provide you with the ability to have user profile information like age, gender, location, the number of friends that they have, how influential they are, which is really a derivative piece of information that you can track from how viral they are or how viral your application is. And so really what we tap into is this rich body of information that wasn't available before, where every single transaction has a persistent user ID. And that user ID allows you to do a lot of interesting things that are attached to user profile, and when it's attached to a social network where there's a very fluid way of getting virality, you get a lot of interesting data and insights. Our customers are typically Facebook developers. They could be on Facebook. They could be Facebook Connect users on the iPhone, or Facebook Connect users on the web. This is something that we just launched into private beta today. So we are the first company to offer Facebook Connect analytics, social analytics effectively for the iPhone. Actually, there's also another interesting point that I forgot to make, which is Kontagent is the only Facebook-funded analytics company that's offering analytics for social applications. Our customers, which tend to be small to large-size Facebook developers, social game developers, make up a large portion of our customers. We work with a number of large movie studios and entertainment companies like Warner Brothers and Fox and Sony, consumer packaged goods companies, to effectively help them create and measure first and foremost and optimize virality inside of a Facebook or Facebook Connect environment. So what we do is we highlight the important stats for you, and we also give you actionable tools too. So one of the first things we do is we measure how viral your overall application is, and we define this by a viral coefficient, or also known as a K-factor. So K-factor 2 means that for every user that goes into the system, 2 users are successfully infected. And then on top of that, now that you've got your measurements, now you understand how viral your application is, you can start looking at what's contributing to those viral factors. So we look at all the various viral channels that are available to you. So there could be invites, it could be profiles, it could be notifications, it could be emails. And each of these channels you can then A/B test against. So meaning that we provide you a framework to understand how call to actions are being responded to, and how well those invite recipients are responding to the invites that you crafted. So it could be A/B testing the landing page incentives, the landing page graphics, and the call to action words, or it could be the recipient text or the text of the buttons on the recipient text, which make a huge difference. In addition to that, we track for you how your feeds are doing, how your profiles are doing, and then lastly, we also give you correlation analysis. So correlation analysis is essentially being able to correlate how each source of traffic or age, gender, location is doing against certain positive or negative parameters. So the likelihood of a user sending out a particular or a propensity for someone to be viral, the propensity for someone in a particular demographic to be susceptible to virality, the propensity for somebody to generate a lot of page views, the propensity for someone to click on an ad or create a microtransaction, which is really the hot big thing right now, social games. So identifying the most profitable customers for them. A lot of this that I've mentioned is free. We're building premium tools on top of this that will allow you to have even better insights into your users, help you better identify your customers, help you more effectively do A/B testing and viral tuning. The basic tool is free. There were premium services are being rolled out. and we'll also be providing in the future transactional services that are, again, a layer on top of the premium. The premium is going to be priced a combination of different factors. It depends on the type of company you are, what you're looking to do, and also the size of your application. So we're not giving everything out for free, but you do get a lot of value for free. And in the future, you're going to see that we're going to have a number of even better tools that developers would absolutely pay for, because the big thing is, just like in the old days of the web in the mid to late 90s, people had to build their own custom solutions. And there was nothing out there that was really, robust enough for everyone to use. Then came commercial tools, where it really defrayed the cost of the analytics and the tools that you once built yourself. A lot of our customers actually build their own tools, but now they're starting to adopt outside tools to augment it, or even just completely replace their internal systems. So we know that we can provide a lot of value, and ultimately we're going to be able to provide them with a more price competitive solution to what they build in-house. Facebook released the Facebook Connect platform on the iPhone this weekend. That was a launch at South by Southwest. This Wednesday or Tuesday, a couple of days ago, Apple released their 3.0 update, which allows for a lot more interesting application functionality, like in-application purchases, which is the killer app for a lot of Facebook applications that are looking to migrate over to iPhone, because all of a sudden you can have the ability to monetize within an application, which is often what social games do inside of Facebook. They are free-to-play application, and they incentivize users to upgrade their virtual characters or buy more currency, to have in-game enhancements, and all of a sudden that's coming now for the iPhone. A lot of social game developers, which are making enormous amounts of money. In fact, there are a handful of guys in their basements making millions of dollars in revenues that keep very quiet, and it's a very lucrative business, because there's a lot of people that are willing to spend a lot of money on social games right now, and where the money is at is not advertising, it's in virtual currency. It's in people using real dollars to buy virtual coins. We have an office in San Francisco as well as in Toronto. Was started in 2007 by myself and my co-founder, who actually went to high school with, and we have since also taken funding from Facebook, as well as a couple of funds based out of the Valley and in Canada. We are about just short of a few months short of 2 years old. What else am I missing? Am I missing any? Oh, there's 7 of us in the company, and plus a few contractors and folks that work with us on a part-time basis. Things are going very well. We're very pleased with the response that we've got from the community on the iPhone and Facebook Connect environment. There's obviously a lot of people that are looking for that kind of content, or rather tools. There just wasn't that ability to measure the stuff that was happening inside of Facebook Connect up until our offering. So we're pretty excited about it, and apparently so is the development community.